Good Tuesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Zurich visiting with Ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. Chris, some showers and thunderstorms rolled through the area last night. We've got a bit of a change as far as temperatures really warming up later today.
Yeah, Joe, yesterday what we saw was kind of some cloud cover in the morning, some fog to our south and west that stabilized the atmosphere in the immediate area, or at least along Highway 25. You got out into Colorado where there was more sunshine. You had a dry line set up. We saw storms really make a punch out of the Palmer Divide area. And then 2 or 3 lines actually came out of northeastern Colorado during the late afternoon, evening periods, all the way to 1 a.m. I think that last storm that went through Sherman and Cheyenne counties, and we even worked its way into western Thomas County, lasted there until about 1 a.m. last night. Again, most of the severe activity is in Colorado. There was some heavy rain and maybe some hail in southwestern and western Cheyenne County, portions of west of Goodland, and then obviously out in Colorado where we saw some 1-2 inch rain amounts, hail, and wind gusts up there to 70 miles per hour. Then we had another tornado watch to our east where we saw heavy rain starting in Norton area, Hill City, moving off to the south and east, and really deluging north central and central Kansas and that Salina, Manhattan, Abilene area where they got 2 to 4 inches of rain again. So we've had some heavy rain across Kansas and localized areas for over 7 days now, or at least since the first of the month. So that is slowing the wheat harvest down. We only got about 5% cut. It's all people are abandoning wheat, and the wet weather and the crop conditions for wheat just continue to get worse. We'll take the rain for spring planting and moving ahead, trying to eliminate drought. Today's going to be a repeat of what we saw yesterday. We're starting out again in the morning here in the 60s, at 61 in Goodland, Burlington, 68 McCook, Oberlin, Norton. This afternoon, we're going to heat up, though. Those winds are going to turn to the southwest. It's going to put another dry line right there along that Kansas-Colorado border, or US 385. Could see thunderstorms fire this afternoon, evening, and move across northwest Kansas, southwest Nebraska. Same type of potential, supercell, with some large hail, wind gusts, and maybe even a brief tornado. Again, that'll be a little bit further east start to it, so it may be affecting the immediate area a little more. You get up into north central Nebraska, that slight risk category goes to a moderate risk, and that's where we could definitely have hail, severe weather, and maybe tornadic activity up there in Ogallala, North Platte, Broken Bow area. Temperature-wise, we're going to go into the middle 90s out in Colorado, upper 90s, Atwood, St. Francis, Goodland, Colby, hundreds, McCook, Norton, and everything south of I-70 here today. The winds will turn to a south-southwest direction. Red flag warnings in Colorado where the humidities are lower. Dew points and humidities will be higher in Kansas. Tonight we'll clear out, and tomorrow temperatures will drop into the low to mid-60s for lows. Tomorrow we'll see high temperatures in the upper 80s, low 90s. Winds will switch to a northwest direction, 15 to 25 miles per hour. That'll usher in cooler air for Thursday. We're going to be in the low 80s, back in the middle 80s Friday. Those 2 days look dry. And then we're going to see chances for rain over the weekend with a front Saturday night and Sunday. Temperatures are going to continue to be below normal. Saturday, Sunday, Monday will be in the middle 80s, dropping to the low 70s, and back into the low 80s to start next week.
All right. Once again, that's Ag meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather Now, as well as WeatherValet. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Zurich.